Hi, this is Brianna Berrigan, and this is my sociology project for week 2. I chose to redo a website called Flowers from Our Heart. It's an florist. So let's get started. First, I decided that I was going to add a pop-up. So we have this here that I made, and I think it's pretty good. We have a call to action, sign up for our newsletter, and then we also have the offering free delivery, making use of the theory of Cialdini's reciprocity and the power of suggestion as well. Because the pop-up brings attention to the offer, it kind of takes the primal brain out of autopilot, and otherwise it's kind of easy to overlook a sign like this on a landing page, I think, especially because I didn't want to make it too cramped. So I thought this was a good opportunity to bring attention and ask people to either sign me up or have them deny, saying, no thanks, I don't like free things, which really makes them kind of think like, wait, I do like free things. So hopefully that kind of uses some of the good techniques that we learned from this week. Then this is the main page that I have. So it is much different. I used a more upbeat color palette. Here we have the title, and then say what you mean with flowers. So the tagline is a call to action, and I also think that it kind of triggers the emotional response, because when I was thinking about what to use, it actually made me think, hey, maybe I should send someone flowers. I haven't sent anyone flowers recently, and I also here have remind them how special they are by surprising them with a beautiful bouquet of flowers. So that kind of reinforces the emotional response that I wanted to get from the title. I've used the word expert here. So create your own or shop from collections of bouquets made by the experts. Call to talk to an expert. So that kind of uses the the principle of authority. Using, family owned, trusted, kind of, actually gives us a little bit of trust and makes it personal. I really like that, so I kept that. And then here we have, don't worry, we have same-day delivery available. Kind of the don't worry part is better than saying something kind of positive, because it kind of wakes people up from the primal brain, and it's like, don't worry about what? It brings attention to it, and it makes people think. I use the principle of scarcity with the delivery timer, so hopefully this person is gonna, want to do it as soon as possible. I have a question here for this one. Not sure what flowers are right for you for your occasion. Answer a few questions that will lead you to the perfect bouquet. So that is part of the principle of commitment and consistency. Gives you a little bit of a survey. It's just, gonna have one question at a time. And so once the viewer starts doing that, they're going to be a little bit more invested in whatever it is that they were thinking about buying. So we also have, alert titles, questions in the titles. And then we have an action photo, which uses the power of suggestion and gives an example. I thought this was a really cute photo. I thought if I looked at this from an outside perspective, I would kind of want to do that or want to be a part of that or want to have that. So I tried my best to keep it simple, but also say a lot. And I'm hoping that that's enough. I honestly would have liked to add some more visuals with a couple of bouquets and things like that. So that is something that I would want to add more of. But other than that, I think that it's definitely an upgrade from all this right here, because this doesn't have any call to actions. It doesn't really bring my attention to anything specific. It doesn't make me question anything. It doesn't wake up my primal brain. It kind of just makes me go through the motions, and there's no catchy title really. And so, yeah, I hope that this company would want to hire me if they had the opportunity. Thanks.